Hi children. So in today's class we are going to see poem The Swimmer. So this poem explains about how a swimmer swims in the water. Okay, how can she breathe air in the water and how she picks up her race in the water and how she wins. So let us see. So before moving to the poem, I'll read the full stanza. So listen here children. She stands still and tall. She seems greater than all. She dives like the fish. To be like her, one can only wish. She swims with perfect flight. Her strokes like dancing light. She breathes air and rips across the water with flair. Up ahead, the audience cheer. She knows that the finish line is near. She picks up her pace as she wants to win the race. Straining with all her might, she never gives up the fight. As she reaches the wall, her name as winner they call. So first, see children, she stands still and tall. She seems greater than all. So the swimmer, she here refers to the swimmer. She is standing still and tall. So at the height. So jump பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரெடியாக இருக்காங்க. So she is standing on the tall and still. So அப்படி நிற்கிறது. She seems greater than all. So among all the audience and the people, she is greater because she is standing on the top. So she seems greater than all. So ரொம்ப உயரத்தில் நிற்கிறாங்க. She dives like the fish. So how a swimmer moves in the fish, like moves in the water like a fish. So she dives like the fish. So எப்படி ஒரு fish தண்ணிக்குள்ளே நீந்துதோ same way the swimmer also dives like the fish in the water. To be like her, one can only wish. So we can only wish in the heart. So like her. One can imagine only அவளை மாதிரி இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒன் கேன் ஒன்லி விஷ் ஃப்ரம் தி ஹார்ட். ஸோ அவளை மாதிரி அவங்கள மாதிரி கஷ்டப்படணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நினைக்கிறது இட் இஸ் நாட் அ ஈஸி டாஸ்க். ஸோ ஸ்விம்மிங் இன் த வாட்டர் இஸ் நாட் அ ஈஸி ஒர்க். ஓகே, இட் நீட்ஸ் டு பி அ லாட் ஆஃப் ப்ராக்டிஸ். இட் நீட்ஸ் அ ப்ராக்டிஸ் சில்ட்ரன். ஓகே, ஸோ டு பி லைக் ஹர் ஒன் கேன் ஒன்லி விஷ் ஃப்ரம் தி ஹார்ட். She swims with a perfect flight. Her strokes like dancing light. She swims with perfect flight. So she is swimming in the perfect right way in the water. Her strokes means different types of strokes. So in a swimmer they will have different types of strokes in the water. So they will follow different strokes. So how they strokes, it is like a dancing light. So see this picture children, these are the different strokes of swimming. So a swimmer can follow different types of strokes while swimming in the water. Okay, these are the different strokes of swimming. So how their strokes, her strokes were like dancing light. So வேகமாக கையை நீந்தி போகிறதுல it is like a dancing light. She breathes air and rips across the water with flair. So she breathes air. How? She raises up the head and she can breathe the air and rips across the water with flair. So rips. So rips means so pulling. So ரொம்ப வேகமாக அந்த ரிப்ஸ் அந்த தண்ணியெல்லாம் தள்ளிட்டு இழுத்துட்டு across the water with flair. So with the ability, with the talent, the swimmer is moving in the water. So and rips across the water with flair. So she put her ability, talent and moving the water. Okay, and rips across the water. Up ahead, the audience cheer. She knows that the finish line is near. So up ahead. So அவளுடைய தலைக்கு மேலே அந்த நீச்சல் குளத்துக்கு மேலே the audience were cheering. ஸோ உற்சாகப்படுத்துகிறாங்க. cheering means what children? உற்சாகப்படுத்துறது. The audience are cheering. She knows that the finish line is near. ஸோ அந்த cheering அந்த உற்சாகப்படுத்துகிற சவுண்டை கேட்டுட்டு she knows, the swimmer knows that the closer line is there, the finish line is near. So ending line, அந்த நீச்சல் அடிக்கிறதுக்கு எண்டிங் லைன் வந்து வரப்போகுது, it is near only. So she knows where the audience are cheering. She picks up her pace as she wants to win the race. She picks up her pace. So the deadline, the finish line is going to come soon. So she picks up her pace. And the strokes எல்லாம் போட்டு she moving with fast in the water. So as she wants to win the race, because she wants to win the race. So the audience are cheering. So hearing that sound, she knows that the finish line is going to come soon. So she is வேகமாக நீந்துறாங்க, சரிங்களா? So she picks up her pace. ஸோ வேகமாக நீந்துறது, பேஸ் மீன்ஸ் ஸோ ஷீ இஸ் புட்டிங் ஃபோர்ஸ், அந்த வாட்டரெல்லாம் வேகமாக தள்ளி with her ability, with her talent, she is putting her force and she wants to win the race. Straining with all her might, she never gives up the fight. As she reaches the wall, her name as winner they call. So straining with all her might, so putting all the effort, or தன்னை ரொம்ப வர்த்திக்கிறது. ஸோ ஸ்ட்ரெயினிங் மீன்ஸ் வாட் சில்ட்ரன், ரொம்ப வர்த்திக்கிறது, தன்னை தானே நம்மளுடைய சக்தியெல்லாம் செலவிடுறது. ஸோ ஸ்ட்ரெயினிங் வித் ஆல் ஆர் மைட், ஸோ தன்னை ரொம்ப வர்த்திட்டு ஷி நெவர் கிவ்ஸ் அப் த ஃபைட். ஸோ ரொம்ப அந்த ஸ்ட்ரோக்ஸ் எல்லாம் நிறைய போட்டு அந்த வாட்டர் எல்லாம் தள்ளி ஸ்ட்ரோக்ஸ் எல்லாம் நிறைய போட்டு நீந்தி ஷி நெவர் கிவ்ஸ் அப் த ஃபைட். ஷி நெவர் வாண்ட்ஸ் டு கிவ் அப் த ஃபைட். ஷி வாண்ட்ஸ் டு வின் த ரேஸ். So that only she had mind. As she reaches the wall, her name as winner they call. So once she reaches the wall, so the deadline, end line க்கு வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் her name was called as the winner. So she could hear her name. Okay, her name as winner they call. So she could hear the name as a winner. So the swimmer can able to win the race. So putting all her talent, ability, her strokes, so she swims very fast in the water, so pulling back the water, so she wins the race. So here in this poem you can see the rhyming words, children. See, tall, all, fish, wish, flight, light, flare, hair, cheer, near, pace, race, might, fight, wall, call. So these are all the rhyming words. Let us see the summary of this poem, children. Swimmer is the poem which tells us the movement of a swimmer in a pool. She stands motionless with concentration before diving into the water. She stands on the top of the others. Then she dives into the water like a fish. The poet says others can only think to be like her. Once she goes into the water, she swims very fast. Her strokes, which are perfect, look like dance steps, dancing light. Now and then she puts her head out and breathes the air. As she is very talented, she is able to push the water back to progress. And then she wins the race. So hope you all understood this video, children. Thank you.